I'm Andy, and this is my wife Claire. In this video, we visit the town of Prulli in the Champagne region of northern France. Being well known ourselves for our own homebrew, we were excited to visit this world-famous wine region where we hopefully could get some tips. Prulli is on the official Champagne tourist route where you can speak with the producers and buy the wine locally. Let's have a look around.
This is the Grand Rue. It's 10:10, so surely people are up and working.
Look at those.
So we're gonna have a little walk around Prulli, the Champagne region. You can see, as far as the eye can see, there's vineyards. So half of me wants us to find some wine tasting.
Champagne, darling.
It's all kicking off in the Champagne region. So this is a town hall. It was all very quiet and peaceful until Pablo turned up. He might be. It's got all shutters and stuff, like you like. Another one. This is Alan's place. He's independent.
Oh, what's that say? Don't park late, needs 24-hour access. Stop pub.
Stop pub. Artisan Boulange. Have we got any euros?
Yeah, should we get something?
Yeah. Bonjour. Okay.
That baker's felt sorry for us. Yeah, so it says that if we want, we can have keys to his fishing lodge just down in the village.
Really? That's kind of him.
Yeah.
Did he want any money?
No, don't want any money, but he just says don't tell his business partner because he's out of country. Apparently his business partner's this champagne connoisseur bigwig, all runs like a cartel round here and he's top guy.
Sounds dodgy to me, that.
Now he says as long as we leave it as we found it, he'll be none the wiser. I think we should do it.
Okay, we can't stay for free, so should we get him some wine?
Give him some wine. He lives in Champagne region, doesn't he? See what I mean? What wine are we going to give him that he already has?
I know.
What?
We've got some homebrew in the back. Let's give him that.
I suppose if he's not going to drink it, may as well just do that then.
Don't like it. Jesus!
Yeah. 84.
85.
85.
Bamboo.
Looks good, actually. It looks lovely.
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
It looks lovely, yeah.
We're swapping van life for lodge life. And then let's have a look inside. We've got a hot tub, le tub, bain de chaude. Maybe what it's called.
Not bad.
Nice and quiet.
Good boy.
And
Oh, you've opened the door already, have you?
Yeah. Smells lovely and it's brilliant.
Oh, it's awesome.
It's awesome, eh?
Oh, I love all the old-fashioned stuff. Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, this is great.
It's really nice.
Papier.
You having a wee? Oh, I like this, do you?
Yeah, I do. Posh paper and everything. Wow, look at that. This is cool. Like it?
Love it.
Right, it's time to put the sausages on. Oops. All right, now we're into the man's domain.
I'll get the bread out.
There's nothing better than a rainy barbecue. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but there are plenty of midges. So the midges sleep? Let me know in the comments. Don't come round here
Why?
because I'm just chilling with my hose.
You ain't got any.
I have.
All you've got is the holes in your Crocs.
Chilling with my hose.
I thought you meant the holes in your Crocs.
No, I said hose, not hose.
I've forgotten something for the fridge.
Claire,
Yeah?
you had your tetanus jab.
Yeah.
Sausages up on the top, mate. I seem to be the only person outside now. And looks like Claire's made her way back into the lodge.
Hi.
We've got ourselves a cookout.
That's it. And I've created a lovely salad.
Lovely.
Got some nice blue cheese if you want on your steak. That might be nice. Couscous.
Saucisson couscous. Is that from here?
And it came with this salad.
But what a lovely place to have a meal.
Isn't that nice?
I put some pepper on it.
Would you like me to give you some salad? Andrew,
What?
look at this, look at this, look at this.
What?
Look at this. I'd really like one of these.
What, a toilet?
Can we have this at home? What do you think? You put your cokes in it.
Oh, yeah, nice, yeah.
Oh, got a crisp in it.
You may have tried Crocs, but I bet you've not tried crispy Crocs, new in the supermarket. How are you feeling being in a lodge?
I love it.
Yeah? Are you glad to be out of the van?
I love the van, but it's quite nice to have a little evening out of the van.
The decor's very nice in here, isn't it?
Love it. I've seen something else that I'd like.
What?
That. I do like that. Then I like that big mirror behind you. These Crocs are life changing. I might get
What, crispy Crocs?
I might get some.
Can you get crispy dog Crocs?
No, but I'll just put some crisps in it for him. You can lick him as he's walking.
Already banged my head on this. Pablo's on duck watch. How many ducks have you seen, Pablo? A man of few words.
Where are my joggers, Claire?
They're in the wash.
In the wash?
Yeah.
Have you got the other trousers?
You've had them on for 2 weeks. They're in the wash as well.
All of my
Yeah.
lower garments are in the wash.
Everything.
What am I supposed to wear though?
Everything's in the wash.
So I've got nothing to wear.
Not until this is finished.
How long's that going to take?
Another 2 hours.
2 hours.
Hello. Hello? No, we were told we could stay here. It turns out that the baker's business partner has returned early from his trip, and he is furious that we are staying in the lodge without his permission. He wants to meet us immediately in his vineyard. Whether we're welcome guests or not, we don't take kindly to being pushed around. It was time to set him straight.
You alright? Who the hell are you? You know. You all know exactly who I am. You are? Say my name. I don't have a damn clue who you are. Yeah, you do. I'm the brewer. I'm the one who took gold at the Champagne Awards 2019. Rubbish. Moe got that, and you sure? That's right. Now, Say my name. Atlantis. You goddamn right.
That towel's filthy. It needs washing.